Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing with you the latest in beauty box. Now then, this is the 2019 edit of Beauty SOS. Now it's a build your own box and you can get in a 3 product one, a 6 product one, or a 9 product one. I got the 9 product one and it costs about £19 a month. I get it because I don't really have a lot of shopping time because I'm a full-time carer. If you have watched my channel before, you'll know that I look after my disabled son, and he has autism and he's very challenging. He's like hard behavior, so I do all of my shopping, most of it online. So yes, that is why I choose the 9 product one. I get as much of it as I can, and I usually like to look on here every day because every day they will put a new product on. So that's it. I get 9 of these 9 products in my box. Right, okay, so let's just get into this box, and it says it's curated by experts, chosen by you. That's right, I choose the products, but I forgot what's in here. Yeah, so that is it. It's the January 19 edit. I told you that, didn't I? Right, so we are just going to get into this box. Oh, here we go. Right, so it says latest in beauty on there. That's what it says. Right, I see a little card, and what is it? It usually has a nice quote on here. It says La vie est hello. La vie est hello. And that's just the social media tags. If you want to go and visit them on there, you can join the conversation. The latest of beauty at Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. They're on there and you can do that. Also, I will leave in the description box a coupon, a code, so you will get money off, and also it will help my channel out a little bit. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can do that. You don't have to do that. There's no obligation for you to do that at all. That is up to you if you want to do that. Right, okay, so the first product I am going to pull out, oh, we've got a card here. It just says, a treat for you, a luxury sample of our award-winning best-selling cleansing balm is in, well, I think that might be in here. So we've got a free sample plus free express delivery on your next order. Save now at templespa.com. Oh, that sounds really nice. And have you had a look at the back? It looks gorgeous. Just look at that. I like that. So yeah, free sample plus express delivery. Can't go wrong with that. Right, get into this. Right, I already had this in glossy box. One of these. It's not the same one. Oh yeah, it is exactly the same one. That is going to go in my giveaway because I won't use 2 of them. I've already got them here. Right, so I'm putting that over there for a giveaway. Definitely giveaway. Right. So it looks to be, here is the gold dust under eye masks. I remember getting those. Get rid of my baggy eyes. Right, okay, so that is them. And is this cruelty free? Because I'm into cruelty free at the minute. It's not tested on animals. That is like a huge thumbs up, and please, if you like my video, also give me a thumbs up as well. So there we go. I love cruelty free. I am going vegan, but I'm currently vegetarian, moving on to vegan. So yeah, that's because I love animals. Just love them. And okay, so that's the first item we have got out. Second item is a cinnamon and chai glimmer skincare gel. That looks beautiful. It looks really pretty. I will pull out the items, then we'll have a little look at them. That's what I normally do. Okay, oh, I remember getting this. This is the Super Duper body scrub. Now I love the Super Duper body what is it, body massage and body lotion. That is it. I love their body lotion. So I thought, right, I'm gonna get the body scrub because it's just amazing stuff. It really is. Right, okay, so then the next item is, oh wow, I thought that this would have been a naturally smaller sample, but it's actually quite a good size. This is the Dermalogica. It's like a skin polishing, and I've had this before and I've used it before, and it is super expensive to buy. Oh, we've gone blurry. It is expensive to buy. I've used it, but it is really a good item. So I knew what it was when I saw it come up on the latest in beauty thing. I knew that I would want that because I've used it, and it does make a huge difference to the skin. And so yeah, I like it. Expensive though, but well worth it. Right, okay, so then the next item is a lash care serum. I got this because I've noticed that, because I use mascara a lot, that my lashes doesn't seem to be growing as much as I would like them. I'd love bigger lashes. So that right, I will get this. This will take care of that and help them to grow a little bit. That's what it's supposed to do. This is bio-organic, and it's Lavera. It is the Lavera Lash Care Serum, and it's vegan. Yes, I love it. Love vegan. Right, okay, so then I got this, which, oh, it's not going to be vegan, is it? Is it going to be cruelty free though? It is the honey lip balm. There we go. It's 100% natural beeswax. You can probably use it because it's cruelty free. It's just you can't eat honey, I don't think. No, I don't know on that one. Right, okay, so then I got this one, which is the Temple Spa Soothing Balm, because I have aching feet. My feet really hurt. And this is it's just a gives tired legs a lift and invigorates with cool tingly feeling. Massage into the legs and feet and the upwards strokes, and wash your hands after the application. Right, okay, so that is that. So then I got this, which is a collagen technology moisturizing face gel. I got this because it's like cold winter and you have to look after your skin in the cold. It needs extra moisturizing. Well, it does anyway, because you have the heating on. It's going to dry your skin out. So there we go. It's just a moisturizing facial gel. It's the Protocol Collagen Technology, and it's for all skin types. And this is, it says it's, I'm trying to see if it's cruelty free. It doesn't say, but I will check it up on the internet, because you can check anything up on the internet to make sure it's cruelty free. Right, okay, so then the next item, I think that might be it. Oh, it looks like we've got a bag or something in here. This looks really, really nice. I didn't order this. Oh, wow. Latest in Beauty has put in a bag, and it just is, it's got the Latest in Beauty logo there, but on the back it says, not just a pretty face. It's not just nice. I just like that. Oh, look at that. It's so nice if you're going away to have your stuff, have your products already in a bag. It's just a really good idea. So I can keep them all in one place and I know where they're at. Right, okay, so what I see is I'm going to start off with this first. Now then, it is the Cinnamon Chai Glimmer Skincare Gel. So there we go. And sorry if you heard a noise there, but that was just somebody went past. Right, so this is an indulgent skincare gel infused with the heavenly aroma spices. It moisturizes and it conditions and it leaves your skin glowing, lightly scented. It's made in the UK and it's got the British logo on it. Can you see it there? Right, okay, so let's just, oh, it comes out straight away like that as soon as I open it. I maybe should have had some water to try this, but there it is. Oh, wow. Oh, that has got a lovely scent of cinnamon, and I just love that scent. It's got a gorgeous scent of cinnamon. I just love it. It's not very glittery though, but it has a lovely scent of cinnamon. I'm just going to put that over there because I'm going to get covered in it, and I don't want to use that for my shower. So I'm just going to get a wipe that off a little bit. Right, so then we're going to move on to the next item. Now then, this is the Dermalogica, and I'll open it up and I'll show you what I mean. This should be like in a powder form. I think it is, yeah. Right, what it is you mix it to a paste, and I'm going to put a bit in there. I'll show you. It's like a powdery form. You just mix it with a bit of water and it comes like a paste, and it is amazing stuff. It's really good. I used it about a couple of months ago and I really liked it. I got a small sample of it. It was like tiny. The sample's tiny. That is quite a good one. Right, so then I got this, which is the Temple Spa Soothing Balm for aching feet and limbs. And I've got terribly aching feet and limbs, so there it is. Right, I'm just going to open it up and squeezed out. There's no silver thing on there. Right, so it's just the Temple Spa, and I am just going to show you it. Oh wow, that is like it's like being at a spa. It's an amazing scent. Smelling like a Vicks. Vicks is like, it's like that gorgeous eucalyptus scent I can smell, like Vicks, but it's, oh, it just goes nicely on the skin. It's like hydrating, it's moisturizing. It is a very, I get a scent of eucalyptus with a scent of lavender. It's just amazing. I love it. I love the scent of it. It's like I could just use that for the scent, but that is going to be amazing on my feet. Just use that before I go to bed and put that on my feet. It's just going to be amazing. I actually do like the scent of it. Right, okay, so that is that. Moving on, because I'm going to be on all day talking about that scent. Right, so we have this. Now then, this is the eyelash serum. This is done by Lavara, and it's trend sensitive for stronger revitalized lashes. It's organic, it's caffeine, and it's made in Germany. It's vegan, so I love it already because it's just vegan. Right, so it comes in a brush like that. You see it? And I think that might be the serum on it. Yeah, it is. The serum isn't. It has no scent on it, which I do like non-scented stuff around the eyes. So that is good. There's no scent at all. Pleased about that, because you don't want a heavily scented product around your eye area. I always tend to go off that. Right, so then we're moving on to this. Now then, this is a lip balm, because if you're like me, I go shopping and I have the driest lips possible. And it's just, I always end up buying one. I always end up popping in Superdrug buying one. So I thought, well, I'll get this and pop it in my bag. It doesn't have a really, it's not highly scented. I don't get the highly scent of honey at all. So I'm just going to try it. is really moisturizing on the lip. I like that. Really is moisturizing, and it's quite good. My lips look moisturized. So I like that. Good item. I don't know whether it's vegan, cruelty free, but it is handmade in Wales, and so there we go. Oh, it's not tested on animals, so it is cruelty free. Thank God for that. Thumbs up. I love that stuff because it's cruelty free. This is, I don't know whether it's cruelty free or not, but it is manufactured in the UK. But there we go. This is a collagen moisturizing. It's just a collagen moisturizing facial gel. Just says massage a small amount of this onto the fine lines textured gel into the skin, and it's just supposed to brighten the complexion. So we'll try it without further ado. I don't have any foundation on today, so I will try this. Okay, so it's gonna be about there probably, so we'll try that. And then we'll just put it in there. You see it? It is there. It really is a moisturizing one. I think my skin's gonna go red. Yeah, it is. It's gonna go a little bit red. I'm just gonna check it in the mirror. Yeah, it's gonna be red. But this is a collagen one, so it's gonna give a little bit of collagen. Collagen is elasticity in the skin, so I'm just putting it over my fine lines. And I'll just put it there. So that one's gone down. It's not as red now, but that is a little bit red raised, as you would say. But there we go. And let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. If you see any difference, you're not going to see an immediate difference because it takes 3 months for it to work realistically, but it does feel a little bit like it's hydrated or something like that. What's happened with it? It does feel hydrated. I forgot to show you the Super Duper Body Scrub. Now then, this is crushed with coconut, pineapple and fruit acid. It's skin smoothie, and it's no parabens, it's minimal, it's no parabens, no colours, mineral oils or anything of the nasty products. Like, here it is. Right, let's just use a bit of it. Probably use it on this hand, because so it comes out looking like that. It is a little bit scrubby. Can you see that? The texture of it. There it is. Oh wow, it has a gorgeous scent to it. I could smell the pineapple. The pineapple scent is really a strong scent of pineapple. It's like really strong, and there's also a scent of like a cucumbery sort of scent. It is really, really strong, but it's like super scrubby as well. It's one of the most scrubbiest ones I've had. Don't really be able to see it. So anyway, so that is the Super Duper Body Scrub. Right, okay, so I think that I might have gone on about all my items. Yeah, I've told you about that one. So I think that is the end of my video. If you liked this video, it's a bit of a long one, but if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.